Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add an age disclaimer to your site on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your site where you can go and check out all of your websites. We have the setup, the home, we have the settings, design site, of course, where you can go and click on the editor to edit your site, and the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add an image disclaimer to your site on Wix. So this is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these two steps to know how to do it in no time. So to add an age disclaimer to your Wix website, you can either create a landing page or use a lightbox. Here are the steps to create an age disclaimer landing page. First of all, create a landing page and then click Show More icon next to the landing page you have created. Click on Settings, then click on Page Information. After that, click Set Next to make this your homepage, and then add a text element. Then at the end, edit the text to reflect the notification. Alternatively, you can add an age verification by selecting Age Verification from the list of options in the Add button in the top left-hand corner of the dashboard. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.